Once a beacon, now a shadow. Learned by the fire of love's sorrow.
Twitch sound alerts. AF
To
programmer
the fire
underscore J.
just earth below.
There's a new update for
Oh my
Windows 7
gosh.
updates, but we need some permissions. Please
I wish
follow
I
the
could get that
direct
to stop.
dashboard.
Bum, 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 ba da 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 bum, 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 ba da da bum, bum, bum. Let's run this again too. I don't know. Ba 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 bum. Dun da ba 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 da bum. Dun 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 dun. Once a beacon, now a shadow. And by the fire of love's sorrow. Fair enough. Boom. Fair enough. Bum 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 bum. Ba 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 do ba ba ba. Ba dum ba bum ba 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 bum. We find our place.
Sprites move smooth on a canvas wide. Algorithms whisper secrets inside. Level up. Every challenge a feat in this realm of ones and zeros. Elite. Frames per second, a rhythmic trance. Polygons waltz in a fluid dance. Legacy aligns a coder's hymn. Crafting wonders where fantasies brim.
Bum ba 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 bum. Ba ba bum ba bum bum. Oh. Ba 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 bum ba 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 bum. There we find my place.
Joy in the bites, every line of code. Virtual landscape stories unfold. Sits hum softly, beats carry grace. In this digital haven, find my place.
Excuse me.
Crafting dreams from bits of broken tech. With each creation I earn respect. Stars guide me through this endless maze. In the void I find my praise.
Bum bum ba bum ba bum. Bum ba bum ba bee bee ba. It starts. Bam 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 ba-da-dam, bam bam ba-da-da-da-dam. Computer, start it. Ooh, it's a reverse. It's a reverse. I like those. Ba-da-bam, bam, 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 bam. Let's just go with M, shall we? Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. I love you, I evol you. Every other one. Oh. And we have to parse. See we I string stream. I don't know why I remember this so well. See, the first one's going to be a 1. Wait, 0, 1, 2. We could just go like that. So how do you print a string in reverse, right? Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, what? Dun, 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 dun. Ba-ba-da, da, 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 dun. Bam, ba, 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 dun, 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 dun. Don't know mad in the sky. Why didn't it print it backwards? I evol you, right? Oh, because I didn't add C. Hold on. I forgot the C++. Oh, whoops. What did I... No, mad in the sun. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, why is it printing that one? Oh, the output's supposed to be lowercase, except for the first letter? What? So I have to lower it? Son of a bean dip and flapjacks. So two lower, I don't, yeah, there we go. What? What the? That's one till the morning sun. Bruh. Calming storm, code to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly in a digital sky. So what? That doesn't. That two lower. What? Bum, 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 bum. Then go like this. T equals two lower T. Oh, that's not how you do that. All right, son of a bean dip, flapjacks. Come on. Key tap to the. You have to do all that? What the hell? Algorithm and string, you already have that. So let's just copy this. Coders race. Input, begin, and input. Oh my goodness, look at this. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Wait, how come it didn't copy the rest? Colon, colon, two lower. Okay. Whoops. There. In this. Oh. Go to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly. In this coder's race. Oh, 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 ba-da, boom, boom, ba-da, boom, boom. Oh, did I not put the begin? Yeah, it's got it. Is this correct? T is a standard string. It is, isn't it? Isn't T a standard string? String. T equals STD transform T begin T end T begin to lower. Bum, 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 dum, 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 dum. All right. It's printing out. So it's not even like in that one though. Yeah, it's no. There's an error. Looks like the issue is transformed does not return a value, so you need to assign it to T. What? Oh, wait, what? Oh. Oh, duh, that makes sense, I guess. What? Oh. Oh, okay. C sharp. Son of a bean dip. String result. Messages split. Messages count if I equals 1. Add string join. Messages to lower reverse to list. Oh. To lower reverse to list. Interesting. Join. String dot join. So it's returning a list. Wow. Okay. Result. Add messages. Oh. Result. List string result equals right line string result. Hi, oh yeah, touch the sky. Oh, so it does everything and then it just prints the string to join result of a list. Oh, interesting. Okay. Interesting. Alright, are we all done? We're all done. This guy did not share. I don't know. I thought it was gonna work on my game. I don't know. I don't want to. All right, I'll be right back. Ugh. Slow dance, stars last laugh, quiet and oh cool, we got another reverse. 1 is here, 2 is here, absent, absent here, absent, absent, 8. Oh, what? In N and string and oh, okay. 20. 12, 4. Okay. So we have to do this one, I think. Somebody's already got it in Python. That's insane. That's insane. That's just a little bit insane. Da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum. All right, let's see what this one does here. 7, 8, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so what we want to do is convert each. Excuse me. Want to convert each one of those into a number and push it onto a vector of integers. That's fine. So we need a vector of integers. Actually, we already have vector of integers. We'll just call it all. Okay. All dot push back tk s to I tk. Bum 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 bum. Da bum bum bum. Ba ba ba, echoes in the night. Dun 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 dun. Bam 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 bam. Same thing. It's just that they're numbers now. Bam 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 bam. Ba da da ba dum bam bam. So now we want to go like this. We want to go For int I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. We're going to start at 1. Do, do, do. Bam 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 bam. What's it called when they're attendance? Present. Actually, just say here equals false. Dun 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 dun. Bam 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 bam. Ba-da-dum ba-dum bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Echoes in the night. If all sub I equals. Oops. Hold on. Bam 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 bam. If all sub j equals I, echoes in the night, then here equals true. And then once we're done with each one, we just go like this. If here we see out, dun, dun, echoes in the night, dun, 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 ba, da, bam, ba, bam, 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 bam. So we just output I. And then we go space. And then we go if here, then we're going to go, whoops, is space. Okay, then we're going to see out here. The desert, not been done. Da, 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 da. Else, see out, absent. Ba-beep-bam. Da, da, da. Ba-bam. From below. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Bam ba bam ba bam bam ba 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 bam. Nobody else sharing their code except for 50% are here who didn't get it. Bum 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 bum. Didn't get it, bro. I have trouble following it because I know it's wrong. So I'm just like not wanting to follow it. Part of me is just like, don't read it. It's a bizarre feeling. Alright, let's do... Alright, I'm starting to feel real programmy, right? Right? I think. Ooh, oh. Bam ba bam ba ba bam. Bam 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 ba 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 bam. Whoops. Come on, computer. Bum 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 bum. Bum ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum bum. Bum 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 ba 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 bum. Bum ba bum bum ba ba da ba bum. Bum 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 ba 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 ba. Bum ba da 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 da. Bum ba bum 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 ba da 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 da. Bum bum ba ba da ba da bum. Na 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 na. Bum 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 bum. Bum ba bum ba 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 bum 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 ba ba ba. Da 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 da. All right. What's this one? Aha. Dun, 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 dun. Mm-hmm. Ba-da-ba-da-bam-ba-bam, ba-ba-da-da-da-dun. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, ba, bum. Might as well change some of the comments here. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, 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 bum, 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 ba, bum. Cosmic Bazaar. Bum, ba, 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 bum, bum, ba, dum, ba, dum. Dun, 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 bum, ba, da, bum. Galactic Trading Square. Energy fills the air. Every creature, every find, treasures you'll find. Screens display. Come and go. Dun, 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 dun. From the sky. Bum, ba, bum. Ba, 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 bum, bum, ba, bum. Grapefruit. Bum, ba, 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 bum, 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 ba, bum, 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 ba, da, ba, dum, bum, ba, bum. So what we want to do really is whenever one of them decides that they're going to, that we're going to, whenever we decide we're going to mate one, right? The way. What do we actually do? I know. What have we done? Excuse me. Show title render. Show game render update data. So here's where we're at. This is it. Render and update data. So it's all about this update data function. Which right now doesn't do very much. Just keeps them, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bum, ba, bum. Bum. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bum, bum, bum. Do, 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 do. Bum, 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 Ba-da-bum. So count incubation is 2, and there it's 3. Ba-da-ba. Change direction, move ticks reaches 0. Okay. Check if mouse is over this crystal. If inside incubation chamber, stay inside the chamber.
Outline sketch a glowing trace in this digital embrace, weaving through the lines of code, carrying all solo death in a tempest wild, balancing course, code and style.
Oh, I see. That is all the same function. Okay, then movement. Ooh, ba-bum. So do they look firefly-y enough as they move around? They look like bugs, I guess. The night. Dun, dun, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Let's just go into the fragment shader incubation chamber. This one, I believe, is the... Let's just see what that looks like. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Oh, it's not doing it. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Angel wings unfold, do 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 bum ba dum ba dum. As Asian bold. Apply. Oh, the number of levels. What did I say? 8 levels. True. And so if rotate, which I set it to true. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. So doesn't it rotate? Excuse me. Apply alternating rotating levels. Where's that function? Right here. Dun, 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 dun. Angel wings unfold, do 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 bum ba dun do bum, as Asian bold. Oh, there's the outline. Da, 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 da. UVC minus 5 times scale UV. Is that, hold on, incubation chamber, is that actually the one we're using though? Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Did I change this yet? I haven't changed it, that's why. I was like, it's doing exactly the same thing. Now that's an incubation chamber. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-ba-boom. Ba-da-boom, ba-ba-ba-boom. Da-da-bum, ba-bum. Da-bun-da-dun. Dum-ba-da-dun, dum-ba-da-dun-dun. Oh man, it's the click. We're gonna have to work on that too. Alright. So, one thing that I would like to do is when we click on the thing, we'll just click and it's instantly there. But let's do, like, it stays bright and then let's have it travel there. Should we do that? Wait, let's show it again. I keep forgetting to keep it showing. Is it running? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Another one, 50%. Why is dude only getting 50%? So bizarre, bro. Oh, did I already look at that? I think I already looked at that. Oh, my brain's fried. That's all I know. I should go get some water. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, here we are. On left mouse click. Oh, there we are. That's what I'm sitting here looking for. I forgot. We put that in. Where's it at? Here it is. There it is. Okay. So what we need is a way to see it's. So what happens is check for room in the incubation chamber. So there's room. Add current moused over Firefly to the chamber. However, we only want to send it there. We don't want to add it yet. So what we need to do is set it up to be sent there. Oh, count incubation plus plus. We can keep that, I guess. Until the morning light. So what we want to do, don't we want to bum 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 ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ooh, 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 ooh. So let's keep it at floating by. Now let's move it to point 7. Oh, so what it's doing is immediately setting the position. Okay. So this will actually happen just once, and then it's going to go back to whatever, right? The rivers flow. Oh, the sky. So let's see. Oh, it's only on the click. Okay. So this is like an initiator. So why don't we use this to initiate? But we won't send the position yet. So that'd be fine. So if it's in the trees. So we just have the type. We can also have a status. Position, velocity, move ticks. This world we are unbound. In my dreams. Dun, 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 dun. World we are unbound. Of the day unwind. Index into background star. Position, color, size, type, Firefly, index. And isn't that feels so nice? Into the it's the vector Fireflies movement. So that's what we want to do. We want inside of this vector, we want to have position, velocity, move ticks, and we also want to have a status. So int status, right? Okay. So when they're initialized, each one of them, the status is going to be 0. Lines forming streams, bum, bum, bum. Fill our dreams, bum, bum. Spawn Firefly. Okay. How quickly we forget. Okay, new or baby, mom index, dad index. Okay, new or baby. I don't have near enough comments on this. So glue new or baby. What does that do? Okay, glue int mom index. What does that do? And glue World with blocks. Dun, 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 dun. Ba, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, da, bum, bum, bum. Let's just comment this function really well. We'll go through and I'll figure out what it does again. And then we'll comment it really well. Because we're going to have to modify it anyways, so. Go to the beat, the rhythm done. In a pixel stream where our dreams collide. Okay, so if new or baby. I take it new is 0, baby is 1, right? Yeah. And this one is, whoops, computer, can we just, there we go. Okay. Bum. Where will we belong to beat? Let the rhythm burn. In our pixel streams where our dreams collide. Spawn Fireflies position. I even have a, oh, it's right here, position, distance. All right, that's good. Wait, this isn't a new baby. This is da 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 da. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 da 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 bum 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 bum. Yeah, we could totally have them start with all kinds of different colors now. Why not? Oh, that's a good idea. Bum 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 ba 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 da bum. Ba 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 bum. All right, I'll be right back.
Typing fast, don't stop, stop. Night is
Okay, so what do I have to do? Groove, yeah. Okay, good. And then down here it does that. The breeding and the making of the baby is fine, but if we just want to take spawn Firefly, see right here. So we kind of have to, I don't know. Okay, sorry, I was muting it because I'm drinking, but just having a little bit of orange juice in my hands. Virtual lands of creativity stands here with you. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, down here. So those are new. That's a baby. Okay, so the new position will be there. The baby with new position will be there. So whenever we make a new Firefly, we want to set, what's this function called? Spawn Firefly. Yeah. Temp position, move tick, all this. Okay, so vision in my hands. Maybe we can use an enum. I think that would make it a little bit more clear. I have an enum in the main. I forget how to do it. So here's an enum here. Show title, show game. So we could give a state to each oh, let's fix this one too. I didn't exactly have enough confidence that I would finish this and even make something. So I didn't I didn't do anything good with the code. I just threw it together and I was like, nobody's gonna like it or care. And I ended up liking it better than I thought, and other people ended up liking it better than I thought, so. Lost in a craze. Beat. Oh, so I define the enum and then I put it in the class. Okay. So enum and then whatever status, we're going to call it status. Okay. Is that how we do it? And then we just give them names. Okay. So we'll just say normal. Then we'll say breeding. But breeding won't be the last one. Normal, then on the way. On the way. Breeding. Okay. Dreams collide. And then we'll put returning to space. Is that too much? In these, let's go like this, right? Glide, oh. And now that. We belong. Bum, bum, bum.
Switch to nerdy nerds. Is that a gem?
Wait, who was that? Who goes there? Oh, hey guys, what's up? Oh, good morning. It's 5:50 in the morning here. How are you guys doing? Oops, where was I at? Status. So I put, oh, and I can call it status too.
Switch to nerdy nerds. Early start. All good here.
Cool, that's good to hear. What are you guys up to today? So status. Okay, so we'll start them all out at normal, I guess. Okay, we can put it right here.
Nerds. Just getting through day job, haha. What you up to?
Let's see. I am just working on the Fireflies game. I'm trying to work on, I do have the incubation chamber a little bit more animated. I made this graphic before. I might only have it do the rotation when the two fireflies are in there, you know, so it'll be like active. But right now I'm working on getting the fireflies because I want it to be when I select one, instead of just popping into the middle, I want it to go do 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 like that. And then I can do a trail of particles and stuff. I think that would be really cool. And then instead of just breeding like this automatically, I want to have a little breeding animation and then have particles or something. And then have them all just kind of leave the chamber. And then we'll have this chamber calm down again.
Love it. The animation in the center looks great.
Isn't that
Sensor is
crazy?
only active if they are in there.
Yeah, exactly. So now I gotta code all that. Good grief. Ugh. But no, I just had coffee. I'm trying to readjust my sleeping schedule as well. So I didn't have coffee according to my normal time. I just had it about an hour or so ago. And I'm hoping to use the fuel of the coffee to give me the code here. What? Oh, what's it doing? Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay, so is this the one? This isn't the one.
Switch to nerdy nerds. Use that dark fuel.
It's true. Oh, so it's the temporary firefly that I... Okay, so let's go here. Velocity equals that. So I go status equals, and then what do I do? Just... Do I do that, or can I just say the spaceships fly in a digital sky? Can I just say equals normal? Oh, I just say equals normal.
Gonna have some foods and listen in when I can. Good luck with the coding.
Oh, cool. Have some good food. Are you guys cooking at home? Is this breakfast for you guys, or is it lunch? Getting through the day job. Are you guys on a break?
Switch to nerdy nerds.
Lunchtime. Okay. Shoot, the day's halfway over. Good job. Phew, huh? Lunchtime's always a good feeling. Okay, so I don't use enums a lot. I use it for the game status, and I'm going to be using enums now to handle the different way that these fireflies will behave. So that's kind of new to me, mostly because I really didn't use enums a lot. Okay, so let's put some good coding on that, or commenting on that. Ah, oh, oh. Sorry about the singing. I super suck at singing. I listen to myself and I'm like, ah. But it feels so great to sing, you know? Oh well. Each firefly starts out normal upon initialization. Okay.
Switch to nerdy nerds. Sing away.
Sing away.
Get that energy flowing.
It's true. Each firefly starts out normal upon initialization. So then what we want to do is we want to switch the fireflies right up here. So when I click on one, I don't want the position to go to 0, but I want the type to go to 7. Okay, so let's do this. Right here. Update firefly status. So we want to go fireflies movement. We're going to go space BKG stars I dot firefly index. There we go. There you go. Status. So we're going to change the status now to on the way, right? That is so funny. Okay. Let's we only want to on the way or breeding or whatever the other one was, returning to space. Okay, so we're just going to turn it to on the way, and then we're just going to highlight it. So I think the result of this now is going to be that, interesting, since we're not changing the position, but the 7, the type 7 in the update function is going to keep it inside the thing. So I just want to see what this is going to do. It'll mess it up. Oops, I already got it running. So let's mess it up here. Let's see what we do. I should just continue to... Okay, so there. Oh, it doesn't go through the update anymore. It's just like they're frozen. Oh, look at that. They've made... That's hilarious. Oh, and then it just randomizes them. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. So it makes the baby like right there. That's almost better than what we have now. That's hilarious, Jeff. All right, let's. All right, what are we doing? Bum 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 bum. Do that throat. Prepare to sing. Oh, whoops, too early for the chorus yet. Oh, so on the way. Oh, oh, bum 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 ba 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 bum ba bum ba bum ba ba bum. Piece of me. Dun, 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 dun. So we're adding the... Okay. Okay. I just muted for a little bit. Did a redeem for your guys' channel, although I'm not in your channel. I did a fart redeem. No, I'm kidding. That's why I muted, though. Anyways, you get the inside story here. Okay, so I do the update based on the types here. What I should do is outside the incubation chamber. Oh, so we're gonna have to update all these because now. Okay, hold on. So what I've been doing before is normal. Okay. On the way was type 7. Days late night and these are all type 7. On the way, breeding, return to space. Type 6. Oh wow. Ba ba bum ba ba da ba ba da bum. So what I was doing type 6 was mouse over. Oh yeah, I did highlight. I do like just on the mouse over. I forgot about that. That's okay. So let's switch them over. So let's have normal and highlighted. My brain is fried. Normal, highlighted. There we go. So we're just adding another status type. And so whenever we reach a spot where type equals 6, we want to change the type Fireflies, movement, space, background, stars, dot, Firefly index. So we're going to switch it to highlighted, which will make our code a little bit more readable. Easy to read. Type 5 is normal color from initialization, so there we go. So is that the only place we do those? Type 7. 7 is also highlighted. 6 is highlighted. So where else do we do that? That's the only place where we change it to type 6? Okay, check if mouse is over the ice crystal. Okay. Oops. Change to type 7 for update function and on the way. Okay. So the update function 4, 5, 6, and 7 are both the same here. Okay. So they're both highlighted. So highlighted, on the way, breeding, and returning to space. Okay, so that's kind of, yeah, interesting. So on the way, type 7. Add to one more in the incubation chamber even though on the way. Okay. More. So where else do we change this? Let's just look at every copy. Find. Okay, show me wherever we do this. 7. Type equals type, that's update data. Okay. 6 and 5, I already know about that. Normal color. 7. Okay, hold up. If there are 2 in the incubation chamber, breed them. Okay, mom and dad's indices. So if stars type equals 7, the sky. So one thing that we're going to do is so then it's going to go highlighted. Actually, no, it's going to go on the way. It's going to go type 6. Or no, 10. Okay, so 2 of them will go through that. And then they'll be breeding. Type equals 7. Oh, you know what? Okay, what would really be a good animation to add to that? Hold up. When I had my spaceship. Hold on. Where is it at? Main space. Let's see. Ship. It's not in there though. Dun 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 dun. I bet you it's in the wait, where are we at? Oh, this code, Jeff. Background stars. I think it's in background stars. Nebula draw. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. A perfect pair. I don't even know if it's in there. Hold on. There it is. See that shield on the ship? That's what I want to use. All right, let's look at the shader here. Oh, background star is 110. Hold on. Okay, nebula draw star. If nebula is not equal to 0, nebula draw. Otherwise, our color equals that. Temp star sign this. If temp is less than that. This isn't it though. It's not in background stars. Hold on. It's got to be one of these. Bum, 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 bum. Space Planet's 132. It might be in there. Platform, rain prime, on prime. Oh my goodness. Circle? Coordinate system, radius, thickness, given color, fill circle, yes or no? Noise, no, I don't think it was that anyways. Noise cloud, fractal, tunnel. Fractal tunnel. Oh, that's from the, okay, get star color, star layer, star field. Dim molten grid type. Well, I mean, I could redo it again. Since I'm not able to find it. So basically all we want to do... Oh, I already got that. We'll see how that works. Oh wait, did I point out the right... Okay, there we go. The chorus of this one mentions Godot. You should hear how it pronounces it. Into the stars we ride, with neon lights our guide, cosmos wide. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Into we find our ways. There it is. Oh, they do have a little... With pride. You know, is that really... Where are they at? Where are they at? Crystal. Okay, so... Oh, here it is. Here's the radius thing. So let's just tighten up the radius a little bit. Let's go 425. And if it's greater than 4.5, okay, that shouldn't break it. Okay, if they just look a little bit smaller. You know, we don't even need the outline. Yeah, we don't need the outlines. They look cool. What a way to break it, huh? That's so funny. Look at that, so cool. Just right in space. What if they're on completely other side? Oh, look at that. Alright. So we don't need an outline. But what we do want to do then, we can put a parameter in here. Okay. Well, first let's do the I'm getting ahead of myself, but I know now what I got to do. So let's go here. Okay, so it freezes it there. So what actually happens is, okay, here's type 7. Okay. If there are 2 in the incubation chamber, breed them. Okay, this is the way that we're currently counting if we're going to breed some of them, but we're going to change that because we don't want them to breed if they're... See, we have all these statuses. So breeding, yeah, on the way. So we're going to wait until they switch. Once they're on the way and they're there, then we switch to breeding. So... So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to eliminate the fact that they go from normal to breeding. We're going to go normal, on the way, breeding. Okay. Check for 2 in the breeding status. Innovation near. And the baby will be returning to space. So we switch all of them. Okay, and that'll go type. Still, it can be still 7, or is it? Yeah, 7 is fine, right? Or 6? It doesn't even matter. 7 or 6 is the same, so they're fine. In fact, because we're going to use the status, we're not going to use the types anymore. That's why that's the whole point. So down here is fine still, but yeah, see here we're going to use, yeah, 6 or 7. As long as, whoops. So as long as we keep it straight. And then, so really we can returning to space type 6, and then once okay. Okay, this is crazy. So what we want to do is when they're on the way, or once they're left clicked on, make sure they're on the way. So let's do that. I think I already have that, right? Rewind. Neon dreams take me fly. Then the starlit sky, starlit sky. Okay, so we can keep it its type 6. Change type to 7 for update function. Oh, update function. But we don't need to do that anymore since we're going to use this now. And highlight and shader. Okay, so we don't need to do that. So because one of them is on the way, we're going to add one to the count of the incubation chamber. And then the second one, that'll be 2. Okay, so I think we're going to keep that. Okay, then we go to the update function. So previously what we were doing is type 6. So I think we're taking out type 7 altogether, so yeah. Space Traders Unite! Oh. Okay, tip index equals Firefly index. Check for distance to edge of... yeah.
Hyperdrive engage faster now. Stars in our wake burning bright. Wow, wow. High energy vibes take a bow. Futuristic feels will allow. Now. Digits and lights, shaders in sync. Math in the air, making us think. Feel the duty move faster than blink. In the galaxy's groove with a link. Space Raiders unite. Dancing through the night, don't let go. Aliens by our side, watch us glow. Galactic moving flight, let's flow. Space Raiders unite. Dancing through the night, don't let go. Aliens by our side, watch us glow. Galactic moving flight, let's flow.
Okay, we don't need to... readability, okay. So there's the status there. And now we don't need to do this 5 or 6. But we'll keep that for the shader. So really we're going to change this to go if temp status equals normal, or temp status equals on the way, okay, or temp status equals breeding, or temp status equals returning. Okay. So then we'll just handle all of those states right inside here. The world with joy and thunder, hack the night with worlds to plunder, spark waves and wonder, dreams by the light of under, bum 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 bum. That's all of them. We persist. Bum bum ba da 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 ba ba da 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 bum bum ba 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 bum bum ba 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 bum bum. Wait, so Oh, I see. So the type would also separate it from the stars. Okay. So I need to include a status. See, type 1. Worth the while. So now we can replace this. Alright, this is a totally different way of me thinking about this, but I like where we're going. I like where we're going. The while. Okay. So we don't need this. Let's take out the ignore. See, now I'm okay. All right. Dun, da, bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Okay, let's just be a little bit verbose here. Initial. Okay, I was like, did I spell that right? On the way. Okay, so that will be moving to incubation chamber. Okay, breeding. Is underway. We're living dreams. And then moving back to space from whence they came. Ah. Okay. All right. That's going to take a little bit to wrap my head around, but we're doing that right now. So here we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, what I could do is take all those out and just say if temp status is not equal to star. But I think this is a little bit more readable, so I've never really programmed with readability in mind, but I'm doing it now. So Star Trek The Next Generation. Loaxana Troy. Unlike some people, I am in growth. Anyways, Luoxana quips aside, here we go. Okay. Add velocity check for distance to the star edge of the screen position. Okay. 5 or 6. So if temp status equals normal, or on the way, or if outside incubation chamber, planet to planet we roam, algorithm our home, caught in space we find. Okay, so that song is really nice and distracting. Okay, so here we go. So if the status is bounce off incubation chamber and edge of screen, right? If it's less than 0.5 or the edge of the screen, oh, okay. Normal. This is only normal or breeding. So if it's normal or they're breeding, then we'll do that. On the way and returning to space, we're still not doing that yet. Okay. check if mouse is over this ice crystal. Okay, there we go. Highlighted in type 6. Okay. Type 5 is normal color for initialization. So if the mouse is not over the ice crystal, hold on. So oh, I see. So if they come in here, normal is one of the options. So this will be final status for normal, right? Because normal or breeding. Position is less. Switch to type 6. Highlighted. Wait. What am I doing? Oh, highlighted is a... I forgot. Okay. So that's okay. Breeding is going to be something else. So it's actually just going to be if just normal. So only normal ones will get in here, and we won't have to worry about if they bounce off the incubation chamber. But yes, we do, because they're getting too close. Okay, so that's only if they're too close. So let's put bounce off edge of screen and keep out of incubation chamber. Bounce back to space. Okay, and then check if the mouse is over the ice crystal, and if it is, then it's going to switch from normal to highlighted, and then highlighted is going to be type 6. And then if it is, oh, right here, type 5. Type 5 is normal color. Oh wait, so if it's not highlighted, or if it's not moused over, oh wait, yeah, so hold on. See, alright. Oh, that wasn't there before. So if it's normal or highlighted, they can go in here. And then if it's normal, it can switch to highlighted here. Okay, okay. Hold on. If it's normal, it can switch to highlighted right in there. If it is highlighted, it can switch to normal right here. Theory away. Ba-da-da-da, boo-ah, boo-ah, ah. Okay, so that's cool. So then if they're not... So this is a mouse over effect right here. If they are mousing over, if the mouse is over it, it goes to highlighted. If it's not, then it'll switch it back to normal. So normal or highlighted. Alright, that's cool. So distance, okay, and velocity is applied. So we're going to apply velocity. Bounds checks. And then check for highlight on mouse over. Dun, 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 bum, 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 but in vain. Bum, ba, da, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, da, bum. Lost in the sands of time, who we find. Dun, da, 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 goodbye. Da, da, bum, bum, bum. Normal, highlighted, breeding, okay. I don't think it'll do any of this. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, let's see if we broke it. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Ah. We may not be able to run it for a while. Oh, it's runnable. Oh, whoa. Well, there's a close-up of one of the... Saying goodbye. Oh. Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-bum, ba-bum, bum, ba-bum. Well, I can freeze them. Alright, this is what happens to your program as you work on it. That's so wild, look at that. This is the ice crystal, like, zoomed in. And it's why I think that Bernard was exactly right, that zoomed in would be a really good thing, because it shows the details of the graphic and stuff, and it's really cool. So, alright, we broke it, we gotta fix it. So why does it show that? Oh, because none of them are Fireflies movement. Okay, so we need to, I forgot, the init data. I never initialized the stars. Oh, and one of them is the incubation chamber. Well, that's hilarious, Jeff. Boy, the things we have to think about. I'm telling you. Tonight, all night. Isn't init data down here? Yeah. So init title screen, oh gosh, title screen is another one. I don't think I have to worry about that in the update function though. So background stars, position, all this, type size. We don't actually use Firefly movement in here. Sun, position, color. Here we go. It gets the type 2. Oh, is that because that's... Wait.
Start with a hobby, a spark and a dream. OpenGL shaders making pixels gleam. Prime numbers dance in rhythmic spree. Fractal art like nothing you've seen. Code base grows like vines on a wall. From simple lines to a complex sprawl. Loops and threads, structure.
Is it going to do it again, I wonder? And oh, okay, so it's fine now. Starter backers gave their best. I like how I can just pause them. I can just freeze all of them. Alright. So what's happening is I'm switching the state and they're going to on the way. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So that actually, yeah, that's good. In the update function, normal, on the way, breeding, returning to space, or highlighted. It's not in vain. So that's why the highlighted ones are not moving. Okay. And they're continuing to maintain their highlighted status because it's not doing the check. Okay, well this one's broke again, but whatever. I don't know why that does that. It's not in vain. I bet you what it is, it's something in here that's changing it to a Firefly, because as we're going through here, so far, okay, so we need to okay, so the problem is my background stars and my incubation chamber are not being handled by the Fireflies movement array. And when it's coming into here, bum, 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 bum. See, the background stars are there. The sun doesn't do anything. So for some reason it's going through here and it's setting it to type 5 and 6. This will never be. So are the background stars moving? I bet we don't have background stars. The background stars... Oh, it changed the type. Okay. So they're all little crystals. Fireflies. Alright, so we lost control. We lost control. So one thing that we need to do is... Okay, I'd like to go by type as I go through the update functions. So what I'm going to do, instead of taking note, because what I do... Oh, this is... Yeah. So what I do in the init data is I just initialize this. I don't give it a Firefly movement thing. Same thing with the background stars. Same thing with the sun. Right? So that's the title screen. The title screen gets changed. Feel alive. So once we get to here, we could record so far, and then we can space fireflies or beyond that, right? But are we ever gonna do? We're gonna do stuff with the background stars and with the incubation chamber, maybe. Not for now. Not for now. So we can actually do that. So let's go right here. So we just need a marker variable as to where the incubation chamber stuff, Fireflies movement data. Let's just say Fireflies end, or Firefly start. Firefly start, or Firefly, yeah, start index. That's kind of a lot, but whatever. One. So once we get to the sun, we're gonna go Firefly start index equals so far. Okay. Actually, yeah, right there. Because the next Firefly is gonna get the so far. Okay. So now when we do our update function, then the background stars are never going to be... So I'm not going to use those, but they will be in the enum. Okay. Ba-bum.
Blocks and trades every day, emeralds in every way, building homes out of clay, villager dreams on display, crafting tools till night, trading under moonlight, farming fields so bright, villager lives take flight, all the magic we create, in this village it's our fate. Trading tales at the gates, and the stories we narrate. Iron golems stand tall, protect us through it all. Cobblestone in the hall, villager life.
So now we need that back, what I had before.
Books and shelves line the walls, enchantments and magic halls. Potions brew in our stalls, in our village each dream falls. All the magic we create, in this village it's our fate. Trading tales at the gates, and the stories we narrate. Iron golems stand tall, protect us through it all. Cobblestone in the hall, villager life never small.
Okay. Phew, so we're back. So this will cycle through all of the background stars.
Enchantments and magic calls, potions brew in old stalls. In our village each dream falls. All the magic we create, in this village it's our fate. Trading tales at the
Okay, so let's make sure we have that right. So the Firefly start index. Don't we want to go +1 because once we set it to so far +1, then we set it to that. So, or we could just go equals. We can just go equals. I think that will do it, and then we're fixed. So Firefly start index. Then everything inside here is a Firefly already. However, we're still going to use these to make sure everything. And then we'll go inside here through all that, and then if count incubation chamber, okay, if count incubation, okay, alright. Let's see what that does right now.
step by step I start to grow, understanding what you show. From your questions night and day.
Okay, we got the background stars, we got the sun is all right now, okay. So then these just, see, now when I click on them, ooh, these are staying highlighted because I clicked on them and it's only letting me do that for 2 of them. Okay, we're getting close. This is what happens when you don't start from scratch, right? Interesting. All right. So now we clicked on it, on the way type 6. So what we need to do, so now we need to go into here. On left mouse click. Oh, right. That's right. Sorry. Shoop. So update Firefly status. On the way. And then we get this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so then so in the update function now we need to handle on the way. Okay. All right. We can close that back down. Update function. On the way. So here, okay, if they're normal, highlighted, on the way, breeding, returning to space. Okay, so then Firefly index. Position plus equals velocity? No. So we only want to do the velocity for the normal and the highlighted ones. So if it's on the way, breeding, or returning to space, so normal or highlighted, we do that. Okay? So if it's on the way, breeding, or returning to space. Okay, for now, let's just handle on the way. Oh, there's breeding, but we never get one to breeding yet. One second trip, so 60 frames at most. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna walk around for just a little bit. Oh, standing up. There we go. Be right back.
sounds of a distant call. Stand your ground and never fall. Sword of truth and shield of light, guide you through the endless night. Stars align to show the way. Victory at break of day. Fingers on the keys, coding every line. Rhythm of the beats, heart in perfect time. Binaries and ones, through the night we race. Flashes on the screen, keeping up the pace. Hold the dream away, in the night and day. Highs and lows we play, never gonna sway. Syntax comes alive, logic like a flow. In this game we dive, let the passion grow. Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find, makes the stars align. Hold the dream away, in the night and day. Highs and lows we play, never gonna sway. Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find makes the stars align. Hold the dream away, in the night and day. Highs and lows we play, never gonna sway. First light of dawn breaks, gentle whispers start. Notes dancing soft strings, heartbeats we feel apart. Melodies unfold, tales of old arise. Dreams within our grasp, in the notes we fly. Keys that soul
Okay, what's happening here? What's going on? Had to set some lunch for myself. Okay, so we gotta handle. Where are we at? On the way. Okay, so we need a temp velocity. Okay, temp velocity is going to be the position of the current Firefly, right? Ooh, ba, 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 Okay, minus. It's the other way around. So if the position is at -1, right? And you're going to go to the center of the screen, you're going to add a +1, +1. So what you have to do is take the center minus the position, right? So if it's -1, -1, that'd be positive. And then you want to divide that by 60. That's soar and die. Oh. So 0.0166. We're just going to multiply, and then that's the temporary velocity.
Twitch Captain Onissa.
Oh, hey, what's up? Encore, encore. What's up? How are you doing? Welcome in, Captain. Okay, so temp velocity equals that. Oh, we have to... we need to send them on their way. So this only needs to happen once. And then each time through, we're going to adjust the velocity, or we're going to add the velocity. This. Oh my goodness. What are we doing? What are we doing, Jeff? So that's that. And then here. What's up, Captain? How we doing? Oh, sorry, my stream seems to be unstable. Sorry.
Twitch Captain Onissa.
Line 381, what kind of game is this? Fireflies in space. Side I had. I have a demo.
Twitch programmer Gem.
There we go. I wasn't sure what TTS was going to do that one. Okay, so this isn't on the way.
Twitch
This
Captain
is
Onissa.
so this Oh, absolutely. It's really quick though. It's really quick. And I'm working on it now, so I'll be updating it, but I don't know if I'm going to quite get through the updates. I have to take a trip to Aberdeen, and everything's starting to open in Aberdeen in a couple of hours. So, but we'll see what we do. We'll see what we do. I'm definitely going to put in these animations and make it a little bit more juicy animations. But absolutely, go right ahead. So on the way, what I'm trying to do is initialize on the way. And on the way is what happens when we left click. So, aha, on the way here, add one more to the incubation chamber. So we calculate, okay. Okay, so calculate velocity, set new velocity here. So we don't want to do it down here. 3, 2, 1. Block by block, ba-da-bum. Neon lights. Whispers at night. So on the way, we're not going to worry about that, really. The flow. Hidden in the dark. Through the songs we embark. Galactic algorithm. Ooh, I know what we can do. Calculate velocity, set new velocity. Cosmic rain. So let's go Fireflies movement. Firefly index? Oh, let's... In the code, a new norm. Wait, stream, am I following you? Okay, I am now.
Coding challenge, here we go. Mysteries beneath the flow. Voxels hidden in the dark.
Can I go...
As we embark. Galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm.
There we go.
Endless quests, infinite nights. Crafting worlds in pixel light.
I'm not used to having an audience. I have more of an audience on YouTube, so... Sure. In the code, a new norm, no problem. Galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm.
Endless quests, infinite nights. Crafting worlds in pixel light.
So we don't need to put that in a variable. We'll just calculate it and throw it in there.
Dreams cascade. Mining ores in
And then what we want to do, Fireflies movement, temp f index, dot move ticks, 60.
outer states.
So that should be 1 second.
Lights take form.
In the code, a new norm.
Byte by byte we generate. From Minecraft to outer states. Invisible lines take form. In the code a new norm.
Calculate velocity, set new velocity. So on the way, we're setting it to on the way, changing the velocity, setting the move ticks. Okay, so now in the update function, in this digital space. Okay, so on the way we are going to apply the velocity, and we're not going to worry about collision. Code we find it. So we can do this. So actually, if temp status on the way, so let's add this up here. And then here we'll go if temp status not on the way. Oh wait, what am I thinking? Not there. So we'll apply the velocity, then we'll go right here. Whoops. If temp status not equal to on the way, then we'll put all this in there. The confines. Right to there, okay. Put that in there, it automatically indents, that's nice. Okay, good. So if normal or highlighted or on the way, add the velocity no matter what. If it's not on the way, do the checks and all that other stuff. Okay. Innovation near. On the way, breeding. Okay, move ticks. If Fireflies move ticks is less than 0, so what we want to do, velocity, okay, I think that'll be alright. Let's just see what happens. Do we have it going yet? So this might do an on the way. We might have one on the way. Computer, where am I clicking? Okay. I bet you when I click it, it's not going to stop in the middle though. Or no, it will. It should actually. Hey! But it's still on the way though. But it's not just now on the way in the... Okay, the only time the velocity is set. Nice. None of them else with the... Very nice. Dun. Okay, so I snuck in returning to space there, although we're never going to reach that status yet because we're not there. So the most they'll do is go on the way, then they will hit ready to breed. And then we also need to add ready to breed up here. On the way, ready to breed. Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba 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 da bum da da from up above da 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 what they don't know that will never grow da 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 ba bum in her arms I see the light no heaven can tear us apart. Together we'll mend every scarred heart. Why are those gray? Bum ba da ba dum boom. Ba da ba da ba da boom. Oh, they're fine now. Da da. Ba da ba da ba da bun. Bum 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 bum. For her I'd risk it all. Ba ba bum ba ba bum. In her arms I see the light. No heaven can tear us apart. Morning dew, a day I flew. Ba-da-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Da-da-dun, so we just added in ready to breed, and that's fine. Alright, let's see what we got now. Make sure we didn't break anything. Ding block sign, dun, dun, ding, dun. Die. Whoops, it's not doing it to that one. Why not? We transform. Creation. So together we ride. Bum 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 ba 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 bum ba da da da. No keys light the way in our voxel display. Mountains tall, rivers wide. In da 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 da. So on the way, so I think what happened was it automatically used the same mouse click. Because it's so quick to go from frame to frame, it did it twice for the same one. Uh-oh. Now it's not doing it. Dun, 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 light. Oh. Does it have to be highlighted? So where's highlighted? Hold on. Type 6, highlight. Okay, that's right. So it switches from normal to highlighted, and then it'll go to on the way. Okay. Ooh, ooh. There we go. There we go. Okay. And make sure it won't do it anymore. Alright, nice. To make that Wait, what did it just do? It's adding more. It's going crazy. Alright, so so on the way, then it does this count incubation. So where's that? Oh, I see. We don't want to do that yet. Hold up. Da, dun, da, 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 dun, da, bum, da, da, dum, ba, bum, ba, bum. I forgot I had this in. Bum, bum, ba, bum. Two in the hands. Da, da, dun, da, 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 dun. Ba, 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 bum. Okay, trying to break it. Trying to break it. Yes, welcome to the playtesting portion of our show. Oh, did it leave? Get back in there. What are you doing? I think it's still in there, though. I might have to update the exact boundaries of the circle, but I think it's still counting as in there. Yeah. Same with that one. Da, 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 dun. Da, 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 ba, 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 bum. Okay. Okay, so now what we need to do is once they are in there, and once they go from on the way to ready to breed, then we need to oh, this one here. Whoops. I think that's ready to breed. Oh, that was the problem. Okay. Let's just of the night, tears, their flight. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, they'll stay inside there now. Ooh, lunch smells good. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack with worlds to plunder. Bark. Waves and wonders. Shader dreams by the light of under. Okay, so we have two of them ready to breed. Bum, 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 bum. So highlighted, normal. This is interesting. Okay, so if they're breeding, you know what we could do instead? Bit of the night, tears take their flight. Line of kind of bum, 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 bum. A bit too small. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Okay, I want to hear. Where was that? Chat. Music. Yeah, let's go like that. Start with the latest one. Okay, you can These are all the latest ones? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Did you break out? Did you break out? What? Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. They do break out. Son of a bean dip. Oh, is it because they're not? Hold on. So if they're on the way or ready to breed. Wait, we don't want returning to space either. Okay, so only normal or highlighted. Not on the way, right? Okay. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Oops. Oops. Did I hit the right key? Okay. He just broke out. Son of a bean dip. He just broke away. Oh, he went back in. They have no boundary. Okay. So if they reach that point, if they're ready to breed, normal highlighted on the way, ready to breed, then it should increase their velocity and then not do anything, so that when we get down here, it can do this. If they're ready to breed, it should just stay position is greater than 0.18, bounce back. Alright, I'm going to take a break to eat. and I'll be back. I think I'm going to end stream because I might do this later today. And I got one viewer. Okay. That's not enough to rate out and count, but it's all good. Thanks, everybody. Good to see you guys and Captain. All right, we'll see everybody later.